dinala niya, pero natakot siya kasi baka hindi pwede.
Partner, kung mahal ka talaga niya, hindi ka na iiwanan.
Ito tayo.
Hello, hello, hi, and welcome back. Welcome back, whichever. Today we're gonna dye my hair again because it's been like 6 weeks since I did that DIY hair refresh, and as you can tell, my hair now is, I don't know, yung color niya is something that I'm not a fan of. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how I do my hair, color my hair using this Let's Dye MNL Platinum Hair Dye. So platinum. I don't know kung anong kalalabasan because my roots are not bleached. The end is bleached as you can tell. So I'm not sure how this is gonna turn out. The set came with a, what's this one? I think this is a hair dye and this is the developer. So what we're gonna do is just mix the two products, 1:1 proportion. I only have very few hair strands, but it's long, so I think I'm gonna have to use this all up. It did came with instructions and also like a parang disclaimer or note. Yeah, so without any further ado, let's get started. So we have our mixture here. It does not smell bad, like unlike those hair dyes that you get from the grocery or from the drugstore. The box dyes, they smell awful. This one has a very subtle smell, so that's a plus. Oops. Okay, so I'm gonna start by sectioning my hair. I'm gonna start with this bottom part right here. I'm not gonna wear any gloves because I don't have gloves. So this is going to be a boring part. I'm just gonna speed this up and I'll see you guys in a bit. I finished the application already and this is how my hair looks like right now. I wasn't able to finish the whole mixture, so I have some leftovers here. I'm not sure if pwede pa to over time, but yeah, I'm just gonna keep it on this container. I will leave this on for 35 to 40 minutes and then I'm just gonna rinse it with water as instructed, and I'll show you guys maybe later in this afternoon when it's all dry how my hair turned out. I'm very excited. I'll see you then. Hi, so I'm on this side of the kitchen. I'm on this side right here because I think this has got the best lighting, which can show my hair situation. I use the Let's Dye MNL hair dye in the shade Platinum. My base is right here, untouched or unbleached. So as you can see, it's not that platinum, but down here where na-bleach akong hair, this is the color. Hey, it's me again. And this is just another view of the hair. I colored it so my contact na siya with heat, and this is how the color turned out. It's actually pretty nice. And I was just looking it up in my purchase history. This was for 287 pesos from toughnickelmnl on Shopee. And the color that I got, as mentioned and as shown earlier on this video, was or is platinum. And this is how it turned out. Nandun din sa beginning of the video what my base color was like. So as you can tell, for those sa part na blondie na siya or that was bleached, this is the color. How I wish ito yung color from the roots down the bottom, but you know, this is expected. This was natural black yung base ng hair ko, yung roots. It's about an inch or two, and then but it's okay. It's blending pretty well. And it's not dry. The good thing about the hair dye is it doesn't smell bad or strong. It smells something, but definitely not as strong as the ones from the box dyes that you get from the department store. So if I were to recommend this, I would highly recommend this hair dye. And just that you need to get your hair bleached to really achieve the color that you want. Like for this one, this is platinum, and I'm excited for the next hair color that I will get. Actually, next year I'm planning to have all black hair. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that in February or March, because I still want to experiment on other colors. So I probably will order again for January. That's just probably though. Not so sure yet, but yeah, I'm just loving my hair. So thank you guys for watching. I hope that you can give this a try too if you are into coloring your hair. Yeah, I'll see you in the next hair coloring video that we will do. For now, stay sane, kind, and confident. Mwah. Happy holidays in advance.